Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Kenny's Tour Review. Today, I got two for you. Yesterday was Snap-on today. So a guy came in. The kid that does Snap-on for my Snap-on rep, he's a good kid, so I kind of like him. I wanted to give him the sale. He came in today, being Leprechaun Day. He came in with green stuff and green outfit. So I wanted to buy something off him, give him some commission, and apparently these are going viral for people putting fish in them. They were sold out for a while. It was only 26 bucks or something, 28 bucks maybe max. It's for bolts. It's magnetic. I guess, or pretty much whatever you want. It's magnetic. So there that is. There's the part number for you. It's a Magstick jar green. And then also kind of happy about is this new mat I got for my toolbox. They didn't have it in black. At least I couldn't find it in black of this size. They had smaller ones in black. Sorry about that. They didn't have it in black. I tried to find this size in black. This is the biggest size that I could find. I think it was 17.5 by 21 or something. I'll look it up and put it somewhere. I don't really care that it looks dirty. Actually, here's the size right here: 700 millimeters to 400 millimeters. So whatever that is in inches. I wanted to get it in black, but it's for computer repair stuff. You know, you put your little screws in here and you can keep them separate and organized. They had a lot of different styles, one with closable, silicone containers, because this is silicone, and other little bits and whatnot, and maybe even a magnet one, which I didn't want. Sometimes if you put certain parts in magnet trays, they go bad, so I didn't want to do any of that. I think this will work fine. If I'm really concerned about it, I guess I could paint it. I don't know how you paint silicone. Maybe not, but I don't mind it getting dirty, as anyone's seen. I'm not a tool polisher anyways, but this will work great. Maybe if I find a black one, I'll replace it, but I like this a lot better. The mat I had from O'Reilly's works really good for writing stuff down, but I just got a pad for that now. I don't really need that, and it was really nice to rip off the page so that way it keeps it clean. But this was pretty cheap. I don't remember the price, so I'll put it there. And that was under 30 bucks. So maybe I'll put some fish in it or something. Just kidding. All right, so thanks for watching, and have a good day.